In this video, we'll walk step by step through how to make a graph in Excel using X and Y coordinates. You don't need to have any experience. Just follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build and adjust your chart. Let's begin by opening a blank Excel sheet. Enter your data into two columns. In the first column, type the values for the x-axis. In the second column, type the values for the y-axis. Each row should match a pair of x and y values. Once your data is ready, use your mouse to select all the cells that contain the data. Then, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. In the Chart section, click on the Scatter Chart icon. From the drop-down, choose the option called Scatter with Straight Lines or Scatter with Only Markers. This will insert a scatter plot into your Excel sheet. Now look closely at your chart. If the data looks strange, or if it doesn't match the X and Y pattern you were expecting, Excel may have assigned the axes incorrectly. We'll fix that now. Click once on the chart to select it. When you do, some new buttons will appear on the right side of the chart. Click on the one that says Chart Filters. Then click on the link called Select Data. In the window that pops up, look for the box on the left that shows the series. Click on the series name and then click Edit. Now you'll see two boxes. One says Series X Values and the other says Series Y Values. If the x-axis is wrong, click into the X Values box and delete everything inside it. Then use your mouse to select the cells from your spreadsheet that should go on the x-axis. Do the same for the Y values. Click OK when you're done. Your chart should now update, and the data points will be plotted correctly using the right X and Y coordinates. Once your chart looks the way you want, you can save the Excel file or copy the chart into a PowerPoint slide or Word document. And that's it. You now know how to make a graph in Excel using X and Y coordinates and how to make a scatter plot that reflects your data accurately. Thanks for watching.